I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because we live. And then one day I'll cross that river. I'll fight, let's fight, no more with pain. And then as death gives way to victory, I'll see the light of glory, and I know because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the life is worth the living just because He lives.
Ay bantay nga road ni Sir Villamor para iti obituary.
Susilo pa rin? Susilo. Okay lang. Okay lang kasi pag nagsilaw, magkubos din baterya.
Good morning, dearest family, friends, relatives, and townmates from afar who made it to this celebration of my mother life. As for those who doesn't know me, I'm Villamor, the oldest son of 3 children. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for being here today during this solemn day. I know that my mother is with us today, as she has always been for me, my sister Demi, and younger brother Remy. Although my mother died so suddenly, she lived a very long life full of love and respected by all. She was a hardworking wife and mother who cared so much for her family, raising us to be who we are today. By setting this example, me, my sister, and brother were able to raise families and households successfully in America. As my mother continued to live each year of her life, sometimes going many days without seeing her children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. She lived a very full and content life, proud of the many accomplishments and successes of her family. As you may or may not know, my father passed away nearly 19 years ago. Since then, Mom spent the remaining years of her life in the presence of some of you here today. Although I've spent a majority of my life in America since moving in 1973, my mother has always been an inspiration to me, my wife Elvie, and my children. My children, Ryan, JR, Jennifer, and Ellery, as well as Rainy's children, Richie, JR, Lingling, and Paula, were all touched by my mother's love. My sister, Benny, was especially close to my mother, not only being her daughter, but her best friend. Benny and husband, Henry, were very close, were very special to my mother, always taking good care of her, especially when she was in America. My mother is also survived by 3 great-grandchildren, Joshua Ryan, Tyler Marcelo, and Tricia. We celebrate my mother's life today and give thanks to the memories and moments she spent with each of us. Although we will surely miss her on this earth, we look forward to the day we shall see her again. We will take peace in knowing that she is reunited with my father and they are happy once again. We love you, Mom.